Hey guys, let's get this Ranger in safari mode as I want to hit the beach today. Just unzip both sides, roll up the panel tight, and use the built-in magnetic straps to secure it in place. To go safari style, just repeat for the remaining sides. And if you have the optional cab side roll-up window, go ahead and roll that up now as well. That way you can enjoy the ultimate open-air beach-going bliss. And that's it, full safari mode. It's that quick and easy. I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss out on all our exciting content coming up. And I'm off to the beach. It's too bloody hot standing around here. See you later.